Now we'll see the next function of the metal ions in the biological system, and that is it act as the oxygen carriers. Okay, so we'll see what is oxygen carriers. We can say that iron is an essential ingredient in the oxygen carriers, that is which is found in hemoglobin. Iron, which is playing an important role as oxygen carriers, and which is present, iron is present in hemoglobin. Okay, hemoglobin. Okay, and hemoglobin is found in the case of mammals, and in the case of marine invertebrates, it is found as heme erythrins. So we have iron which is present in hemoglobin and iron which is present in the heme erythrins, and this iron act as the oxygen carriers. Okay. Next we have the maintenance of the metal ions are also required as a part for maintenance of the osmotic pressure and pH and regulatory action. Okay, so we'll see what it is. That is, we have the sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. Okay, these ions, sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium, these maintain a precise gradient across the cell membranes. You know what the cell membranes are. So across the cell membrane, the sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium will be having a specific, it will be having a precise gradient, and this will be regulating, and thereby it will be maintaining the osmotic pressure and pH. Okay, this will be maintaining the osmotic pressure and pH. Okay, so we can say, so whenever there is a difference in there, the flux of these ions through the cell membranes also sends the signals, and that turn off and turn off the metabolic reaction. We can say that we have the cell membrane, and this cell membrane, across the cell membrane you have the specific or very specific precise gradient, precise concentration of sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium, and this will be maintaining the osmotic pressure, and this will be helping out in the sending the signals, and this signals will be used for whether to start the metabolic reaction or the stop and etc. So these are the importance of the metal ions in biological system. So we have metal ions in biological system which act as a cofactor in enzymes, which act as structural entities, which is required in the control of metabolic pathways and other mechanism, and metal ions act as oxygen carriers, and also it is required in the maintenance of osmotic pressure, pH and regulatory action, and we'll be studying in detail what these things are.